so that's me done. Finished off by just taking a picture with the 70mm over there towards home, and God, it's so cold that my memory's going. I couldn't. My memory's definitely going in this cold. There was a guy who was talking to a few minutes ago. He's a mountain biker, and he had the same make of bike as mine, not the same model, but the same make. And I was trying to remember what the make of the model of mine was. I couldn't remember. He also thought I was an idiot. Anyway, the composition I've finished off with is a longer lens, 70mm, looking over towards Holme Village and West Nab in the far distance over there, right on the horizon. The light is it's perfect really, no excuses. I've bracketed the arse off it, so hopefully, well, no excuses, I should get at least some good exposures, but I hope you can hear me, because the wind is really a bit sharp up here. My toes are cold and my finger ends are getting a little bit cold now, and my back is starting to chill because it was a bit obviously perspired on my back, and my shirt must be a bit damp. So I'm not hanging around now. I'm going to pack up and I'm going to head home, because it's quite a way home, but no doubt I'll generate some warmth on the way back. So here it is, look, the Beehive Cairn with ice and snow all over it. Look at that ice on it. That's obviously on the side that faces the sun, so it's melted a bit. No doubt when the sun goes in, it'll freeze up again. So that's my expedition to the Beehive Cairn done.